What's up, guys, the YouTubers? It's right here. Yesterday is my birthday's passed. Now I'm getting older to be 18. Today I'm going to show you about new pack I bought from Amazon. Is My Pony and Crush Girls minis that you've seen like the video I just uploaded. It's funny moments I did. Trevor Phillips throw it Amazon logo. Yep, as you can see, here's the Twilight Sparkle, but I can't find any this one in the store here in the Target and the Costco too. So right here, I just bought Amazon online. Here it is, Twilight Sparkle. This is facing pretty good. Here's the movies on the hub. So sorry, there's the band right there. Back, as you can see, the back here is Twilight animation. So let's unbox this one. Hang on tight. Now I gotta show you this one. The scissors. Can't find scissors. Just go down. Like this. And looks like okay. Okay, I can see this is on the unboxing. It's opened and ripped. Now, we'll do this other one. Let's do with this. Alright, here we go. Here's in the back of Twilight, and I think it's stuck. Here's the pulses. And now let's get a rip out here on the box. Okay. Here's Twilight, and she was locked with the rubber. I think it's a fake rubber. Now, let's take it off. Just careful, gently. Just making it gently like this. And here it is. And then she's stuck on the tie. Hold on a second. Using this one back. And the head just like this. Okay, here it has is on the back of the package. Now let's get rid of her. Oh yeah, this is off. Okay, it's not gonna work. All right. So, yeah. All right. Okay. Here you go. And there you have a human Twilight Sparkle. You can see, it's trying to make it stand. Perfect. Alright. Here's unboxing with this pack. So, it's a beautiful little face, and her looks different. Oh wait, this is the same here in the season. No, in the movie in 2013. Looks pretty. In the back, looks beautiful. I thought this is an epic. Here's a roll to click. It also come out off. Here's the rotations and the 360s maybe. It's like a 260s, like a back and forward. Now it comes with the tail in the back. So, and there you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. And then I think you're watching. I need to fix this somehow. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like to subscribe to my channel, link down below. And then I will see you next time, guys. And then that's for all, guys. Upcoming soon. I will upload the new International Auto Show on this April 10th. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.